Hello everyone, and let's explore Peshawar's ancient delight.
Word about Peshawar's golden past, a city where beauty and culture last. Called the city of flowers in Mughal days, its charm endures in countless ways. The streets are filled with history's lore, where traders walked in days of yore. From Mughal gardens to bustling lanes, Peshawar's spirit forever remains. With flowers in bloom and culture so bright, Peshawar glows in the morning light. A city of stories, what do you see? Peshawar's magic, wilder and free. The city of flowers standing tall, echoing history's vibrant call. From its roots so deep to sky so wide, Peshawar's beauty fills us with pride. Yes, bazaars hum with life and cheer, a place where traditions are held so dear. From ancient walls to pathways worn, Peshawar blooms like a rose at dawn. The city of flowers standing tall, echoing history's vibrant call. From its roots so deep to sky so wide, Peshawar's beauty fills us with pride. Bazaars hum with life and cheer, a place where traditions are held so dear. From ancient walls to pathways worn, Peshawar blooms like a rose at dawn. The air carries sense of a bygone age, Peshawar's story fills every page. Its vibrant soul, its enduring grace, makes it a truly enchanting place. Its gardens bloom, its culture thrives. In Peshawar the past comes alive. A city of flowers, what do you see? Peshawar's wonder, wild and free. City of flowers, Peshawar's beauty forever empowers.